Hello guys, welcome to SL Gang. I'm Shan here.
I'm Bill.
So today we are doing our first ever movie trailer reaction, right?
Exactly.
So we are kicking things off with a recent movie which is about to come. It's called Venom Let There Be Carnage.
Venom.
Yeah,
So
today
this goes as Venom 2, is it?
Yeah, Venom 2. The second part of the Venom movie, right?
Yeah.
The movie is named as Venom Let There Be Carnage. We have already watched the Venom movie 1. And also there was a first trailer too for this movie. We have watched that too. This is the second trailer, official trailer 2, which we are reacting to today. So the villain of the movie is from the end credit scenes of the first movie. The guy who was in prison, who says let there be carnage.
Oh, the bad guy. Is
The
it?
bad guy, the villain.
When I get out of here, and I will, there's gonna be carnage.
So they have named the movie with the end credit scene of the movie 1, Venom, from the bad guy. He is the villain here. We learned it from the first trailer. We have already watched it. So today we are reacting to the second trailer, which was released pretty recent, right?
Yeah, it's very recent. It's like 2nd of August.
Yeah, 2nd of August. It was released in 2nd of August.
So buckle up, folks, and let's get right in.
Yeah, let's get started. We are starting the reaction now. 3, 2, 1, go.
All I ever wanted in this world is carnage.
They are starting the trailer with that quote too.
So sudden, no?
Yeah. Eddie.
Eddie, we should be out there
Eddie.
snacking on bad guys.
Bad guy. There are two.
I am a predator.
Can you imagine having a parasite inside of you who wants to eat people alive? Doesn't that the things that Venom eats, don't they go inside Eddie's digestive tract?
That's the thing. I don't know how it works because it's
I-
alien.
yeah, it's not a true story, right? That's something that came to my
That's very
mind.
complicated.
This thing eats people alive, don't they get digested?
People alive?
Yeah,
Why would they eat people alive? So there are two parasites, right? That's
Yeah.
what they call them.
Venom is the good guy. There's another symbiote.
Oh, this is Venom.
This is Venom right here.
Okay, and okay, right. I see. So they enter the human body.
Yeah, continue. What was he biting there?
You have got to
A
get
tire,
control
right?
of your aggression.
So it's
But you will get
eating tire.
hauled off into Area 51.
What's up? Oh my god, what's that?
You know
That
what?
wasn't included in the first
Do
trailer,
you
right?
know what Area 51 is?
I have no idea.
That
They
is a
say
place
so
where
many
those
stories.
paranormal things happen. All sorts of things like
There are so
UFO.
many mysteries. There was a girl which I didn't see in the first trailer. See?
This is
Who's
what
that?
is she doing?
It
She
looks
has a
like
superpower?
she's blowing air out of her mouth. Is she a airbender or something?
Where's the arrow? I don't see the arrow.
Live in my body.
So there's a third symbiote too in the movie too, right? This girl carries.
You live
There's another
by
one?
my rules. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. Please let me fix it. So I can push it again. You are a loser.
That's funny.
Is it wrong to say that Venom looks kind of cute?
Yes, he looks funny.
He looks like a mini version of a Xenomorph, right, from the movie Aliens.
Yeah, sort of.
A kind of clever, calm down version of a Xenomorph, a mini version, right?
He tricks him, like
Yeah,
his personality is very interesting. It's like he's bringing out the more wild or the wild side of that man there.
yeah. Sometimes he acts like a toddler, right?
It's like
It's like going
a
out of
spoiled-
control.
A spoiled
Little kid, right? Spoiled kids always ask for toys, something, things like those, right?
Yeah,
This one is asking to kill people and eat them.
Yeah. I wonder what the obsession is with killing people. Is there food?
This is the prison. Yeah.
Eddie Brock, I want to give you my story.
Wait, he looks pretty younger than the first movie, right? In the first
No.
movie, he looks pretty old. Here, he looks young.
So he wants to give him the story of his life.
Maybe he wants to trick
Is he a
him to meet
reporter?
him. Yeah.
It's yours. And what's yours
What's his mine?
is mine.
Yeah, he carries him, but what is he doing? Oh my God!
I
What's
have
up with the
tasted
biting
blood
thing?
before, and that
Ew.
is not it.
He is surely a
Why
saint.
the hell he bit his finger?
Maybe he wanted to infect him.
Let's find out. Oh shit!
going to die?
No, the symbiote is coming out. Wait. Is this something? Is there a connection between that bite and this symbiote suddenly coming out? Do you think he has some sort of life cycle
I think
that
yes.
requires a DNA of another symbiote that
That-
Eddie carries? That's why he beat him, right?
Yeah. So far he was inactive.
Yeah.
The parasite.
Yeah.
So now he becomes suddenly active.
Yeah, after that bite, right?
Yeah. So he has something special about. his
Yeah,
blood.
he requires Venom's DNA or something to complete his life cycle, something like
Maybe
that, right?
it's like creating a rival.
Yeah, we will find out. I can't wait for the movie.
All I ever wanted in this world is card.
That's its tagline. Carnage. Oh my God! Look at. Wait. Did you see the Dagger thing is coming out of
What
his
is that?
tails,
All sorts of-
tentacles?
Yeah.
It's very weaponized, right?
That whole army.
Yeah. My God. Is he gonna stand? Oh my God! That was like disgusting. My God.
Crazy man.
Villains are always
Real
powerful.
vengeful one.
Wow. Oh my God! Look how badass that scene looks.
Yeah. Is it like a church inside a church?
Is it inside the church?
Yeah, I think.
Are
that-
they showing? Are they showcasing it as the devil or something?
Look at the background. Those
Yeah, it looks
windows.
like inside the church, right?
Decorated.
So they are showing this is the devil. Oh my
It's
God!
like
The amount of
the
weapons.
embodiment of
Look at the
Why
what?
do you pick
That is a red one.
You need to come out right now.
red
Oh,
one?
red one. That means those things are powerful, right?
Everybody!
Promise.
I promise!
Oh yeah.
So easy to convince. Let me eat everybody.
Eddie,
Oh shit!
you feel
It
like
can
home
shoot
today?
daggers. Ah, this is the girl. Wait.
What is she doing?
Do you think she has an important role in the movie too?
I bet she has.
I'm really curious about the symbiote she's carrying there.
If she's so powerful.
Yeah, it might be. Do you think she's a villain there?
Like Venom.
That.
Wait, is he going to eat Venom? Let there be carnage.
Oh, wow.
You could just say I'm
Oh,
happy for
she's
you.
engaged?
Suddenly change the atmosphere.
I am happy for you.
No. God, I'm so sorry.
Venom kicked
You
him.
need some
Why
serious
did he do
couples
that?
counseling.
That was not him, that was Venom.
You need serious couple counseling.
Yeah, oh my god.
That's fun.
That's pretty interesting,
I didn't
right?
expect it to be this fun. Actually, when it says Venom or
Venom is always fun. He has a side of humor to it, right? The bad side.
exactly that kind of. So the side of humor makes it more interesting.
So let me do a small prediction here. Not actually a prediction, something I hope for. At some part of the movie, I hope for the Carnage symbiote, the red one, to eat Venom along with Teddy.
What?
We had the glimpse of him trying to eating
but
Venom,
that will
right?
be the end of the story.
Wait, I will
Like family.
here. So, see,
But maybe it's
I
like
think
it was
it's-
about to, but it couldn't.
maybe it will eat Venom, right? So the viewers will be like, oh no, Venom is dead. Here goes everything.
But
Who
that's
will
the
save
end
the
of-
day?
But
And suddenly, Venom will reincarnate from inside of this Carnage symbiote, the red one.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that makes sense. We
Maybe their powers will be combined.
Yeah,
Venom will
just-
be some type of alpha version of something like that will pop up out
just
of
imagine how powerful that
Yeah.
would be.
that, right?
That is a good interpretation, a
Yeah.
prediction.
And I'm really curious about the girl there. Her
Yeah.
role in the movie. She has powers too, right?
Yeah.
She's a airbender.
The modern airbender.
Yeah.
I wonder how all the pieces they're like scattered and we need to fit them in
Yeah.
to make sense of what's going
We
on.
have to watch the movie to connect the dots.
Let's try. Let us know your predictions.
Yeah.
How do you connect the dots?
Down in the comment section, right?
That will be interesting to read.
Yeah. Okay guys, that was our reaction. Hope you enjoyed it.
When do you think it is going to be released?
I can't remember the release date, but I think there will be the COVID situation going on in that era too.
Most possibly, yeah.
So we can't watch this in theaters, most probably.
Too bad.
Yeah,
The big screen effect is very,
yeah.
it's entertaining.
I just miss the good old days before the pandemic hits.
Yeah, me too. That's it. So if you enjoyed this reaction, please make sure you like and subscribe to our
Like,
channel.
subscribe, hit that notification bell, share it with your friends, join us. We are still building up.
The community.
Yeah. So until we see you again with another reaction, let's wrap it up for today. Take care guys, bye.
Take care. Bye.